Hello, good morning, guys. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty God. Today I am showing you how to get part-time job in Germany because a lot of you are knock me and want to know how to do it. So today I am going to show you, or I am going to explore you. I am going to tell you the really effective way of getting a part-time job. So first way I am telling you, actually you are new in Germany, so if your family can back up you, or if your family can bear your living expense, then I can suggest you, then try to find a good job and try to join there. Yeah, this is a good suggestion for you, but I know a lot of you are facing the problem. I mean, actually you have to do immediate jobs, so my suggestion is for them who need an emergency job or immediate job. So first of all, the fast effective way is, you will search, or you will find a job nearest places where you are living. So how to get it? First of all, you have to make a CV. You can, if you make it in German, then it will be really effective, because as you know, the German people are not want to see English, not want to speak in English, because they don't feel so good with English speaking or English. So all of them, they like Deutsch, I mean German language. So you may create your CV in German. Otherwise, you can also make it in English, no problem. Okay, so then make it more than one copies. I mean, actually, 5 or 6 copies or like that, and then uh, go to the popular places where you live in. I mean, McDonald's, and there are a lot of restaurants, super shop nearest to you where you are living. If you are new, then you can ask from ChatGPT that which shops are available here, or which company is near to me, or which the delivery jobs company are available here. Then I am suggesting you, I am informing you that for formal jobs you have to apply. Otherwise, for odd job, I mean restaurant work, or kitchen restaurant kitchen work, or I mean cleaning or like that. I also informing you that uh, all jobs are similar in Germany, so don't worry about it. Who need emergency job, try to drop out your CV door to door. I mean, actually, shop to shop. Go there. Don't shy. When you will go there, don't speak English. Try to learn some basics words in German. For example, go there and say hey, hello. Then say guten tag, or guten morgen, or like this. If it's evening, then say guten abend. Then say ich bin xyz, ich bin a student here, ich bin studied in, you say your university name. Then say ich suche eine Teilzeit or mini job. So haben Sie any job? Yeah, try to say with a smile, because then they will, if they have job, then they will say you that you can join, or they will talk with you. If they do not have, or if their probability to make the vacancy, then they will take your number. I mean, this process, you can focus this process, and try to go a lot of shops, a lot of super shops, a lot of places, because this is totally depend on your luck. You may got your job within few days, or it's take also more time, for example 1 month, 2 months, like that. It's totally depend on your dedication, actually, how you are finding. Yeah, this is really fast effective ways. And second effective way, I am also telling you, try to use Kleinanzeigen, and this is really a fantastic application for getting the job. Even all people are not know about this application. So here, the Kleinanzeigen, and how I can show you. Try to Come here you can see at the middle of the this application Vital. Here click here and there is a lot of options. Here you can see click the jobs, and mini jobs or Niven jobs is here. Click this, and also try to filter your city. Everything is here. So see, actually I already selected, or you can select also now. Lotion I already selected, so this is why I come here, go jobs, mini jobs, and then go to another here you can see, actually I already filtered everything. Here you will filter, must remember that make sure the private and governed list, and yeah, here is private. Then uh, try to find out, and here also you can write down your nearest popular place. See, here you will see actually a lot of jobs are available, and they will, I mean actually you will see a lot of posts. So go there and you will see that actually all post is in German. If I am showing you, all post here is German, or otherwise I can also go. You will select your city and everything is you can see here. This is they will show you, I mean actually you have to filter properly, otherwise you will not get. Yeah, see, now they are showing, I mean try to apply for actually upgrade jobs, because see actually here today today actually they post this. I mean actually try to translate. If you do not understand, then try to actually read everything. If you see that actually this is near to you, or this job is suitable for you, then try to nachricht, it means that message. Then you can schreiben, I mean there is a formal format for requesting for job, or this is totally depend on you. You can also write short message with your email address and with your also WhatsApp number or your phone number. Then they will chat with you. If it is important for you, then they will call for interview, or they will I mean, they will make a schedule with you, and if your luck is good, then you will get a job. I mean, actually, all post regularly try to read the all post here and try to apply many jobs here. And this is totally a second effective way to getting a good job. And I am informing you that here you would get or you may get a good job. I mean. Not wood job, you may get here good job, because a lot of good job is available here. So this is why I am again and again I am telling you that this is the better way for getting the good job. Okay, still now, so you can use this application. You can also apply by Indeed. This Indeed is another way, but I don't know actually how effective it is. Even never I did not applied. I applied the first two one, and yeah you can also apply. I mean actually I am searching by mountain. Here is a lot of post, so click the post, read out the details, and try to apply. Okay, and if you do not understand anything else, then try to translate it in English, because some application there is no option to instant translation, so you have to take the screenshot. See, actually I already applied, and yeah, I'm informing you that here you must have to upload your CV in Indeed, and you also have to upload your uh, I mean, actually, motivational letter. This is little bit why you want to do job or etc. This is not motivational letter for embassy or anything else. Uh, yeah, this is the way of. I hope you will understand. This is another application. Try to research this, then you will understand how to apply by this application. And this is third one. And if you want to do mini job, then you can also download send job, and you have to upload it your all documents, then they will verify your documents. They will then they will when they will verify your account, then you will able to applied by this application. And I am informing you that many jobs are available in Gen job, or Sen job. This is say in German, Sen job, in English Gen job. Yeah, many, I don't know how can I tell you. See, actually, and if you will apply by 3 or 4 or 5 apply, you may get the job. But I am informing you that all jobs, maximum jobs here are mini job. Yeah, maximum job here is mini job. So this is another one. And job belly is almost similar to gen job or sen job. You also have to upload it, all the documents and everything is here, then they will verify everything. When they verified your account, then you will eligible to apply. Okay, these two application you must have to verified. I mean, if you will able to upload your all documents properly, then you will be verified. Don't worry. And this application is really outstanding. I mean, actually, Sanjob is really outstanding for getting job. First one, second one, and this Gen job is so effective. You would get early job by this application. And Germany is very important. So this is why I'm requesting you that who are watching still this video, try to learn German. At least you have to improve your expression and Hören. I mean, speaking and listening. Because initially you no need to schreiben, or you no need to listen. I mean, if you improve your expression and Hören, then you will able to do job and try to learn the basic conversation. And thank you so much. Uh, thank you so much. And I am also suggesting you that you can also apply directly to Amazon, Domino's, and Audi, BMW, McDonald's, and also some other very popular companies in Germany. A lot of companies in here, but for getting such type of job, you need more time. So who need emergency job, you can apply this OS, and as well as you can also apply renowned companies here. Then you would get the job. So thank you so much. Have a nice time with you. Don't forget to subscribe, and try to comment what type of videos uh, you want, then I will try to make the videos. Thank you so much.